Hello, my name is Natasha, and I am reviewing Where's My Water, but it's the second review, so because my other sister is doing it, so she did it too, so I did that. This is how the app works. The main thing, well, not really how it works, but the main thing about the app is the alligator. An alligator needs water for his shower or bath. And you have to help him to get to his pipe. The water dragon. There are rubber duckies that when you put water on them, it topples on top of them. Boom, 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 boom. And when they get to the top, they burst. And then they give you points. That's what I like about them. Why did I say that to her? Whatever. Well, there are bombs that they explode when you put water on them. Sometimes they can help you, and sometimes they don't help you at all. Why am I doing this? Okay, the things I like about the app, the bombs help you a lot. They're actually supposed to help you, they say. There's some more fun things like ducks in the game. Like there's boots and jackets, and that's all I got you. The things things I dislike is that you could get stuck real easy in hard levels. Overall, I will rate it as Grace. Bye!